So hello guys, welcome to my another video, and today we are going to unbox a Lavalier microphone. So let's start. Here the box of the microphone. You can see the microphone, and this is the wire of the microphone, and there is a soft thing for covering the top of the microphone, and this is to wind up the microphone. And here you can see the user guide, and here you can see the pouch of the microphone. Here now we keep it aside, and now let's assemble it. Then you can see I have assembled the cover of the mic, and here we go. Now you can see that we have assembled the top cover, and here we go. We are going to connect it from computer and check it that it works on computer or not. So let's go. We go. Now I have opened my PC, and now I am going to sound settings, and now I have gone here. So now you can see that I am speaking on the microphone, and it is working. So it is checked. I have it from Amazon at 600 rupees. If you have to connect from phone, you need a splitter. It has been given in the description. So guys, here is up to my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share.